Why is that kid not even in our system? Why was in this session earlier? I can't see y'all Spotify. It's all over here like a bar station. Oh, and they have it outside. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh, you can't. You gotta wait till they come home. Come on, Kizia. I mean, Deontay.
If you write anything on your computer, you need to get Grammarly.
I write pretty much all day, every day. L-A-R-R-I. That's me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Larry. So you guys know for the past 19 years, I have been complaining that I want a boyfriend.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished watching Love Simon again, and I want to cry because I'm single and I want a fucking boyfriend. I ain't trying to wait for him. I'm sorry. I should ask this. I want a boyfriend. I'm super cute. I'm nice. I am an amazing person. I have a great personality. I listen to amazing music. Why am I single?
Someone date me. Well, I can stop complaining now. So on this lovely channel, we are very open with my life. I love the fact that we're like super close and like we're like family and like you guys are like my girlie. Like I tell you guys everything. For example, if I had a bladder infection, you would know. Anyways, where I'm getting to this is you guys are like my best friends and you guys are like always at my back. So I'm going to introduce you to one of my boyfriends. And this video is for you guys to meet him and just let me know what you guys think about him and like if you sense any bad energies, let me know. Cause I'll break up with him. I will. Anyways, without further ado, babe!
I feel like Milo wants to come out, but I kind of don't want him to come out. No, I want to sing about I need some support.
You need some support.
He'll support.
Am I not enough for you?
Get some kids support.
Hey, Nine. I can be a dog. If you want a dog, bitch, wolf. Hello.
Hi, how are you doing this?
I want to do something cool.
What do you want to do? This is me, I'm Milo.
Okay, that's bestiality. This is one of my boyfriends. His name is... Introduce yourself.
Jacob.
Jacob what?
Viegas.
You sure? Mm-hmm. Mom?
Who the f is Mom?
I need you guys to approve Jacob. We're going to go through 5 obstacles, and you have to pass all 5 obstacles. All 5 obstacles, and if you don't, I have to break up with you. Before we start, give 5 facts about Jacob.
Oh, I hate this.
5 facts.
I hate this. I like Larry a lot.
Chloe asks, what is your favorite thing about Larry?
He makes me very happy. And he's the only one.
Almost good.
Mhm.
You know how to play with
I don't know.
You stop cheating. That's cheating.
Mm-hmm.
I know that.
It's an umbrella term because I love.
I mean, I'll take it just because I'm perfect. I get it. It's hard because I'm super perfect. And you could have said my lovely personality, my amazing smile, my beautiful eyes, my amazing talented voice. You know what I'm saying? How long have you been dating?
Since October.
We have been secretly dating for 2 months, and then we finally decided, well, I finally decided to go public because people found out. I'm not really good at hiding things. Jacob went to the closet and found his Christmas presents and was like,
Are these for me? Are these for Christmas? Because he didn't hide them. They were out in the open.
do you like the song Last Place?
Who's that? Beach. Hey Siri, play Last Place by Lorraine.
Okay, let's hear Last Place.
Run while you still can. What's your first kiss? When was our first kiss?
We were at a friend's house, staying in his bed,
How did we meet?
4 years ago at VidCon
We
2014.
met at this convention called VidCon 4 years ago, and put the bitch here.
And now put the one out. We actually, we played Spin the Bottle.
I was his first kiss.
Yeah,
Oh, was your first kiss?
you were my first. Isn't that weird? You really were.
I was your first kiss at the time. And
Yeah, and as a guy.
Larry's worst habit. It's my worst habit. If you
Ooh.
say anything, you'll be single after this video. So watch your mouth.
Probably, if anyone out there is dating a YouTuber or social media person, you're on the phone so much. This is my theory. I think he just takes baths instead of showers, so he can go on his phone. So he can be on his phone more.
I sit when I pee so I can be my phone.
That too. That too.
Do you like One Direction?
I'm gone.
Good way to change the subject.
No, this is literally going on my foot. I love One Direction.
Name 5 One Direction songs right now.
Like
my
my
favorite.
favorite. I like. Stop hitting time.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Oh. I mean, Larry.
Favorite memory together?
I hit him with a rock at the beach. So that was fun.
Yeah.
And we raced. He won.
The Saint race. Because you're just like my last. So now that you guys got to know Jacob a little bit better, now we have to teach him.
There's no way. He's that nice. He probably got home. This is the first time I went to get some good bathroom. That's crazy. You should have went to the brown shit. Hey, what's up? Where did charge go? You put this on the I got brake starter. Of course, that fast. Let's keep it down by 4. Yeah, why do you make me jump so late? Where's the hate comment at? We'll go back to the old